We got a Norfolk Southern. He's on the track on the right side.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 18.0, no defects. Repeat, no defects.
That's this train.
Yeah, we'll stop that and they can get over here next week.
He's going to go across the connector.
That ain't gonna work either, sir.
Can't see the signal from the other direction.
Second motor's no good.
He must have a green light, I guess. Intermodal. Norfolk Southern. He came from Roanoke. He must have been waiting on the dual tracks up there by J. Crew. Because they had an intermodal that was coming westbound earlier. He's going to be going up across over to Montview and go north on the Montview line, heading toward Charlottesville. Boy, got pretty good that I got a bunch of trains rolling through here at the same time. Now, it looks a little dark because the sun is set. Another half an hour, it's going to be dark here. There's not much good lighting here. If I tilt it down like that, you can see it better. I don't know why. It looks darker when you tilt it up. I'm taping this on an HTC phone. Uh-oh. You know what that is? Trash train. That's the intermodal part. But they're not hauling trash back up. These are empties. I don't know if I can show it or not, but let's see. Let's get a look at the springs. This part of the trash train. See, the springs are up all the way. Yeah, that's empty. They're going back up north with empty trash cars. I don't know where they're headed back to, but those are empty. Most of these are Mediterranean Shipping Company cars. Uh-oh. They're stopping. Or slowing. It is 8 p.m. Battery's okay. Turn that off for now. Yeah, they've stopped. I don't know why, unless there's a train. Unless there's a train blocking, or there might be something on the Montview line that hasn't cleared yet. So, at least I don't smell that trash. Usually about this time in the evening, there's a train of empty coal cars that's coming westbound. That's the defect detector down on CSX. I wish I could have been in a different location, but I cannot go beyond these signs because that is Norfolk. Well, past the curbing down there where it turns, that's Norfolk Southern. They put the signs too far out. It should be closer down to the end of the curb there. But beyond that crack right there in the road, that's Norfolk Southern property, so we cannot go down there unless they say we can. Other than that, it would have been nice to get a good shot from that direction. So someday when I see someone from Norfolk Southern, I'll have to ask them and see if I can get a quick shot of that area down that way. And, you know, most of those people, they are probably gone by at least 4 or 5 o'clock, I think. Alright, let me pause this for a bit. We'll wait until the train moves again. Okay, it might be a little while before they start back up, and since this is a 8.5 minute video right now, if they start back up, I'll just start up a new video. So, I'll make that part 2. Subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.